Hi everyone, this is Sadev and in this video I'll show you some advanced Excel formulas and also we will learn how to use VLookup function in Excel. So here we have a table with various data using which we need to find answers. And here's our first question. In this first task, what we need to find is the total number of sales made till date. So here we will use sum function, which will give us the total amount of sales. So in order to start with any formula, we need to use equals to sign and then just type the formula. Here we are using sum and just open bracket. And what we need to find is we need to find the total amount of sales over here. So in this column we see that the total sales is clearly mentioned over here. So we'll just select this and drag it till the last cell over here and then just press enter. So here as we can see that we have found the total value of sales made till date. Now we will move on to the second question. In this task we need to find the total sales made by David. So here we need to find specifically for David, and for that we do have a formula that is called as sum if. So in which we need to set a condition or specify a statement for David, and that will give us the total sales made by David. So we'll just go for it and sum if. This is here, and where is David? So in this rep column we see that we have multiple entries of David. There's 1, 2 and many. So the first thing over here is we need to select the range, and whenever you are using any formula you'll see a hint over here. As you can see that range, comma, criteria, comma, sum range. So first we need to select the range. Range means in which we need to find David. So in this column we'll select this whole column because we have entries of David over here, then comma, and then the criteria. Criteria means we need to specify a statement over here. So here it will be we need to find specifically for David. So what we will do is equal to David, colon here, and that's it. So we have specified the criteria, and now sum range. Sum range means the number of sales. So this would be our sum range, and we need to select the whole range over here, the whole column, and that's it, and press enter, and yeah. So now we'll move on to third question. In this question we need to count the number of sales made by Alex. Here we will use the countif function, which will show the count of sales made by specifically Alex. So the formula over here is equal to countif, and yeah, so what we need to specify over here is first will be the range, the second will be the criteria, means the condition. So the range over here would be this column because we have entries of Alex in this column, then comma, then what will be the criteria. So we need to find the count specifically for Alex. So equals to Alex, and then press enter. So the total count of sales made by Alex is 15 over here. And now we'll move on to fourth question, which is very important and mostly used in Excel. So the question is, we need to find items sold on 9th of September using VLookup. So we have our target variable, that is 9th of September, and we need to find the item which was sold on 9th of September. So the VLookup function is pretty much easier, but people may find it very complex unless you understand it. So here's the formula for VLookup, and see, here's the thing. So the lookup value is what we are looking for. So what we are looking for is the item sold on 9th of September. So this will be our target variable, and now we need to select the table in which the details are present. So here I'll select the whole table. We don't need the unit cost column, so we'll just skip it, and we'll go with till the units column, and just drag and select the complete table. Now column index numbers. So we need to find how many items were sold on 9th of September, and in which column it is specified. So it is in under units column, right? So what is the index number for units? So here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here we will enter 5, comma. You want approximate match or exact match? So we need exact match, so I'll just go with 0 and then bracket close and press enter. There you go. So 36 items were sold on 9th of September. And now we will move on to the question number 5, that is replacing name from David to Matthews. So this one's a pretty simple task. We just need to replace the value with the one which we desire. So the formula or the function which we are going to use is replace, and now we need to, so here as it states, old text, start number characters, the total number of characters in it, and the new text. So we need to replace David to Matthews. So we have selected the old text, that is David. Now comma, now the start number. So the first character is where we need to switch it to. So we need to switch it from D itself, because we are going to replace the whole name. So 1, that is D, comma, and the total number of characters which we need to replace. So Matthews has like 7 characters, so we are going to type 7, comma, and what we need to replace it to is Matthews. That's it, and press enter, and it's done. So we have replaced the name from David to Matthews. Alright, so thank you very much for watching this video, and have a great day.